Hey everyone, Geoffrey here and welcome back again to my channel. Today, I'm going to give you my first impression and quick review of the new Honor Magic V2, the world's slimmest foldable phone that was just unveiled at IFA 2023 in Berlin. This is Honor's third foldable device and it looks like a serious competitor to the likes of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The first thing that strikes me about the Honor Magic V2 is how thin and light it is. This phone measures only 4.7mm thick when unfolded and 9.9mm thick when folded. That's much thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is 6.1mm and 13.4mm respectively. And it weighs only 231 grams, which is lighter than the Samsung S23 Ultra or the iPhone 14 Pro Max, let alone the other foldables. This phone feels very comfortable to hold in one hand, and it doesn't feel like bulky or heavy at all. The Honor Magic V2 has two displays, a 7.92-inch inner screen with a 2K resolution and a 6.43-inch external screen with a resolution of 2376 by 1060 pixels. Both screens are OLED panels with 1 billion colors, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The inner screen has a very shallow crease that is barely noticeable, and the external screen has a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The displays are very bright, vibrant, and smooth, and they offer a great viewing experience for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. The Honor Magic V2 also has a very impressive camera setup. It has a triple rear camera system with a 50MP wide camera with f1.9 aperture and OIS stabilization, a 50MP ultra-wide camera with f2.0 aperture, and a 20MP telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture with OIS and 2.5x optical zoom. The phone also has a 16MP wide selfie camera with f2.2 aperture on both the front and the inside. The cameras are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second with HDR10+, OIS, and EIS. Honor claims that the cameras are enhanced by its Falcon Capture AI technology, which can improve low-light photography, fast motion capture, and portrait mode. Now moving on to the performance, the Honor Magic V2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor with a peak frequency of 3.36 GHz. It also has an Adreno 740 GPU, which can handle high-end gaming and graphics performance. The phone comes with 16GB of RAM and either 256GB, 512 or 1TB of internal storage. There is no micro SD card slot for expansion, but I think that's plenty of space for most users. The battery capacity of the Honor Magic V2 is also very impressive. It has a 5000 mAh battery, which is larger than any other big screen foldable right now. It also supports 66 watts wired charging and reverse wireless charging at up to 5 watts. Honor says that the phone can last up to 2 days on a single charge with moderate use or up to 1 day with heavy use. The Honor Magic V2 runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13. It has a sleek and simple user interface that adapts to different screen modes and orientations. It also supports gesture, 3-key navigations, navigation dock, stylus input, split-screen multitasking, app continuity, and more features that enhance the productivity and convenience of using a foldable device. The Honor Magic V2 also has some other features that are worth mentioning. It has dual SIM support with global network compatibility for both LTE and 5G bands. It has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, infrared port, USB Type-C port with OTG and DisplayPort support. It has a stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos sound quality and supports for high-res audio formats. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that doubles as a power button for quick unlocking and authentications. So far, I am very impressed by the Honor Magic V2. It seems like a very well-designed and well-rounded foldable phone that offers a lot of value for money compared to its rivals. However, there are still some questions that I have about this phone that I will try to answer in my full review later on. Alright guys, that's all for today's first impression of the Honor Magic V2. What do you think for it? Would you buy one for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.